In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a report page between Power BI files. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so step one is open both Power BI files. So I've opened up the one I've got data with that I want to copy, and then I've got the blank page here that I want to copy it to. So you should have both .pbix files open. Now from here, find the page you want to copy. So I'm going to come back over here. So this is the page I want to copy. So we want to right click on the tab page and then click onto, it should be copy. If there isn't copy here, that's all right. We can click back onto here, click on Control A and then click on Control C with your keyboard. Now from here, come back to your untitled page and just basically click on the page and click on Control V. So that's going to bring over the sum of profit and sales, and also so it's brought over the stacked area chart here and also the card. Now if it looks like something like this, that's because data must exist inside of here. So you can go ahead and put in data. Then once you put in the data, we can go ahead and select the data types you want to go ahead and show in these fields. So for example, I'll put for this one here, I've got in the customer profit and sales, and also with this one I've got customer profit and sales. So we want to kind of replicate that in here with your data.